We're here in Cornwall today, launching the first of 2 new machines to the Velocity fleet. Unique to Velocity, the machines have been specifically designed to get down narrow country lanes which are hard to access and also to work in heavily urban environments. Cornwall needed a solution to be able to tackle preventative and reactive maintenance in the most difficult areas of the network to access.
Velocity have been working in conjunction with Cormac Solutions for the past 3 years. Due to the difficult conditions in Cornwall with the small, narrow roads, we opted for a small Velocity machine called Baby Bear. Recently, we decided that we could do with a new small Velocity machine, and in conjunction with Velocity, we designed a new Baby Bear. So the key features we had to put into the new design was an increased capacity, the similar size to the Baby Bear in order to get down the Cornish narrow roads, and a more reliable, newer machine.
Our team have come up with a design solution at our facility in Sunderland, UK. The wheelbase is short enough so that it's able for the machine to turn in tight areas and give access to operators to the areas that they need to repair. This machine is a complete redesign on the earlier small machines that we had on the fleet. Like all Velocity machines, it's operated from the rear, and that means it gives the operator the widest possible working area to reach all extremities of the road. Despite its small footprint, it still really packs a punch, and it can fix hundreds of defects every day without the need to keep returning to depot.
We originally started the venture as a pothole solution to our ever-increasing amount of potholes. When we first started with Velocity, our compliance was down at 38%. Over the past 3 years, we've increased that compliance to 78% in 2018 and to 98% in 2019.
At Velocity, we've pioneered spray injection patching, and over the past 20 years, we've delivered millions of repairs to road networks all around the world. We're very committed to innovation, and we're always looking to bring new ideas to the market and to share with our customers.
So over the past 3 years working with Velocity, Velocity machines have undertook over 130,000 potholes. Going forward into 2020, we're looking forward to using the new machine with the increased volume to increase the amount of potholes that we can undertake on our network.